Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to give you a full review of the modified all new 2018 Creta. Come, let's start. Starting from the front profile, here you get normal headlamps with the chrome stripping over here, which look nice, and you see at below you get the fog lamp with the chrome garnishing over here, and the lights are standard, so there's no change to any light or there's no mechanical changes, only external and some internal changes, like the interior is modified. Here you see the grill is also in Grille, and that's a nice thing. And here you get the skid plate with these nice engraves, and that's nice. So here you see that you get these alloy wheels over here, and here you get the side view ORVMs with side turn indicators and chrome finishing over here. So that's really nice over here. That's a generous touch. And if we move on to the side, and the plastic cladding looks nice. And next over here we have this step mount, which looks nice with this nice plating of chrome over here. So a lot of chrome added over here. And here you see the best thing, you get the decals over here, the body decals, the red, and you can have the color according to you. Even the whole color section of the car can be done according to you. Here you get the Creta badging with the step. So here you get this nice dual tone roof over here with the vinyl wrapping, and this is the side profile with the diamond cut alloy wheels over here. Here you get the chrome handle, which is not an accessory, it's available on a top end variant. This is the SX variant. Here you get chrome garnishing with the LED tail lamps while the LED tail lights are the icing on the cake. Then at the back you see Creta, a 3D Creta imprinting, and that's really nice. Apart from that, everything else looks very solidly put together with this nice chrome stripping over here, exhaust garnishing over here with chrome again, lots of chrome added to it, and that increases the flair of the car. You see, you get, these are not illuminators, these are lights which are connected to the tail lights when you use them. And I'm sorry BMC for telling in that video that this is the wipers. You see, this looks nice, and I was sorry for telling you about that. And thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and comment in the question below. Bye bye.